Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, what are you doing? Like, it's really lit over there. I have been getting my content creator on. You see a lot of behind the scenes on making videos, on just what I'm doing, what I'm selling, all that good stuff. But yeah, make sure you go over there. It's at Everything by Maja, and follow me on Instagram. And if you're watching my videos and not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button because it's lit over here too. I do everything fashion, beauty, hair, lifestyle, faith, all of that. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. On my Instagram, I showed them when I did some purple eyebrows. I was literally just messing around during Zoom University and I had to be busy, so I'm like, I don't want to put on makeup during a whole pandemic. That's always my excuse for everything, is during a pandemic. So I was like, I'm gonna just play with my brows because I've never tried to make them a different color. Don't mind the bonnet, okay? I'm not ready to mess with my hair yet. But I was like, let me just make them purple. So as you can see from the thumbnail, if I put it in there, I did my eyebrows purple, and that was the first time I've ever done it. So today we're going to try to make them red to go with my outfit. So it's really simple. I didn't even watch any tutorials before I did the purple brows. I just winged it, and it really was not even that hard. I didn't use any pomades. I didn't use a liquid lipstick. I literally just used shadows. So hopefully I don't play myself today and it works out the exact same. So you really don't need much to do this. You just need your eyeshadow and some brushes. And whenever I do this, which is only my second time, but whenever I do it, I don't put on a lot of eyeshadow because the eyebrows are the main course here. So my face is already washed and everything, and I'm just going to hop into the palettes and start placing the colors. It's really not hard. Today I'm going to be using the James Charles and Morphe palette, of course, because that's where the rainbow is. I also have the BH Cosmetics Taking to Brazil palette. That works really great for rainbow looks too if you don't have this one. But yeah, I'm gonna just start going into this red and going ham. And I'm just using a small brush and I'm just going to place it in there. And actually I have a homegirl that I be doing her brows a different color with this exact same method, so it's not really that new to me. And maybe it's because I don't have super dark eyebrow hairs, that's why it's not hard. Okay, so now that I have that done, usually I would leave it like this, but I think I want to do it kind of like ombre almost. I want to put a little bit of a darker red on the edges so it can kind of fade. So I'm gonna just probably mix a color. Okay, so right now we look a little crazy, but that's fine. We're gonna clean it up, I promise. So now I'm gonna just brush through them a little bit, and then I'm gonna start concealing as usual. So now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealers. Okay, so now that it's all outlined and it's starting to look good, now I'm just going to blend it out. Like I told y'all, it's really not that hard. It just takes some precision to make them look like brows, but what I do is not hard at all, and it can be replicated in any color. Okay, so now I think I'm just going to do like a little basic little makeup look, maybe. I'm gonna put some more concealer on my eyelids, and then I'm going to set it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna just finish up this look and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I think it is so cute. Like, the brows are just popping out. I didn't put on any lashes or anything like that because who has time for that? Not me. During the whole pandemic, okay? I don't feel like wearing no lashes, but my hair is super cute right now. If you guys would like the tutorial on this look, let me know, because these curls are definitely popping. I put on lip gloss just for y'all because when I go out I'm gonna have on a mask. So yeah, I love the fit. My hat matches my brows. The curls are so cute. Like, I'm just in love with the look. The eyeshadow look is nice and simple. It's just a quick little something, alright, just something cute. But yeah, I think this was a nice little tutorial. If you guys want more makeup tutorials, let me know, because I can definitely do that for you guys. If you have any video suggestions that you want me to do, please leave it in the comments down below. Hello to all my new subscribers. We're almost at 2,000. I'm so excited and I just can't wait to get there. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Once again, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.